The Taguig City local government is implementing a holistic approach to aid farmers and fisherfolk in its area as it strives toward development while protecting its heritage at the same time. Our Denise Osorio has the details in this report.
In the modern city of Taguig in the National Capital Region, the traditions of fishing and farming remain very much alive. Yet, in the face of rapid urbanization, there's a pressing need to move with the times to keep livelihoods afloat and ensure food supply never runs short.
So, to start, ang Taguig po ay nagsimula sa fishing and farming community, kasama ng duck racing. So, bahagi ng aming mayamang kasaysayan, ang pagsasaka, pangingisda, at yung duck racing. Ito ay isang programa na nung naging mayor ako ng lungsod ng Taguig ay tinutukan ko kasi parang I feel I owe it to the people of Taguig to make sure na ang tradisyon ay hindi nakakalimutan.
One of the pillars of Taguig's livelihood is fishing on Laguna Lake. For veteran fisherman Mario Pagulayan, success isn't just about the day's catch. It also hinges on the tools and infrastructure that allow them to get to and on the lake.
Mas mahalaga yung pangangailangan namin sa ngayon, ang kawayan, gawa ng sa amin daanan. Hindi kami makakalabas kung masasaraduan ang aming daan.
Mario explains that many bamboo structures that created a barrier were destroyed by past storms, causing water hyacinths, commonly known as water lilies, to block their passage to the more open parts of the lake. This is where the constant operations of the Lake and River Management Office come in, carrying out daily clearing work to ensure fishermen can navigate without obstacles. For Zaldi Flores, improved tools and technology for fish farming are a welcome idea, but can only go so far, especially when the lake's capacity reaches its limits.
Sang-ayon ko, mas maganda kung may ganun ay bibigay.
Even so, he says he's perfectly at ease sticking to time-honored methods that keep them in their comfort zones.
Kami kahit sinuuna lang. Kasi parang hindi na magbago ang dagat.
As mayor, Cayetano believes the key to long-term food security is to marry the best of both worlds, the wealth of the past and the promise of the future.
I'm now on my 5th term as mayor of the city of Taguig at bagamat sa mga nakalipas sa termino ko ay kasama ito sa ating agenda at mga programa, gusto natin to dream bigger dreams in the area of agriculture, applying new technologies.
Under Taguig's livelihood program, the city hasn't just focused on fishing. Produce from urban farms goes straight to the hospitals and shelters for the city's young residents. This way, Taguig blends the old with the new, safeguarding its heritage while adapting to the needs of a thriving, forward-looking city. Denise Osorio for the National Television Network for a new and better Philippines.